Hey, good morning to you, good afternoon or good evening, depending on when you're watching this video. By birth, it's me, Alex William Smith. However, many of you may know me better as the British bad boy of royalguru.com. I'm just making this very quick Facebook Live video because I know that different people get to see videos than perhaps see posts because of the daft Facebook algorithms. Just to let you know, if you don't already know, here in England, as of yesterday night, all pubs, clubs, cafes, restaurants, theatres, cinemas, large public venues such as that have been until further notice. It could be a matter of a couple of weeks, it could be as long as 3 months, 12 weeks, until they get the green light to reopen from the government because of the coronavirus COVID-19 crisis and their precautions here in England. Now, I know there's people around the world in Spain, Italy, and a whole bunch of other places, Denmark, Sweden, Norway, where I've got friends, where the pubs, clubs, restaurants, nightclubs, theatres, cinemas have already been closed down for a while. So for you guys and girls, you're already stuck perhaps in what I'm calling the lockdown. Some of you have actually been told to stay in your houses for a couple of weeks, with the exception of going and buying shopping. And I'm pretty certain that will happen here in England in the next few days, perhaps by the middle of next week. In any event, right now, there are no pubs to go to, clubs, nightclubs, theatres, art galleries, cinemas, health centres, gyms and all that. They've all been closed until further effect. So a lot of my friends, understandably, the people who are employed, fortunately the British government have announced a package where their employers can give them up to 80% of their wages will be reimbursed by the government. So the employer either has to negotiate something or only has to pay 20%, but it means that the majority of people who've got a job at the minute will be able to keep their job and get at least 80% of their normal salary, which is far better than getting statutory sick pay. So that's a plus point for some British people. Self-employed individuals, though, have not been as lucky as yet. Small businesses, limited companies, people with staff, yeah, lots of measures brought into place. I'm not saying it's enough, but for self-employed individuals such as magicians, jugglers, hypnotherapists, stage hypnotists, entertainers of every type, DJs, freelancers, your plumber who's a one-man band, your one-woman band painter, anyone who works on their own, there's not been enough provision made as yet in England. It may be different by the time you see this. This video's been done live at 4:01 in the afternoon on the 21st of March 2020. But in a few days' time when you see this, it may be they've provided more. Anyway, I want to do my bit to help. Now, I thought about giving this away totally for free, but I've already got free stuff on magicalguru.com, and you can go there, click on the stuff that says free stuff. So if you want stuff to occupy your time, there's stuff there for free covering stage hypnosis, hypnotherapy and related areas. But I wanted to be more constructive, and I do have overheads. I'm a self-employed individual. I have overheads for web hosting, for payment processing, for downloads, for use of bandwidth and all that. So this isn't about my story, this is about helping you. What I put together is a package that I've called the Coronavirus Lockdown Business Survival and Success Package. It contains 5 of my home study video training courses, which, as you can see at the information above or below this video, if you bought them individually at the normal retail rates, would cost you 985 United States dollars. That's over 800 euros, that's well over 800 pounds sterling. But from this very moment, this very second, this very instant, until Boris Johnson, the British Prime Minister, announces that it is safe and legal for all British pubs, clubs, theatres, restaurants, cafes and venues such as that to reopen, I've set up this package so you can get it for as little as 19 United States dollars. That's about £15 sterling. It's like if you took me to Costa Coffee or Starbucks, bought yourself a coffee, bought me a big coffee, and bought us both a slice of cake each, it will cost you about the same. In fact, it would probably cost you more for that. But for $19, or you can pay more if you want, if you can afford to, and you want to pay more, there's the option to. But for just $19, you can get those 5 products: the Millionaire Plan, usually $197, together with Passive Hypnosis Profit System. Both of those, whatever industry you are in, those 2 video sets will show you how to make money online, utilising the internet from the comfort, privacy and safety of your own home, and show you exactly step by step how to profit big from your existing skills, talents and knowledge in ways you may never have thought possible. So whether you're an entertainer, a mind therapist, complementary alternative medical practitioner, holistic health practitioner, or you're self-employed as a plumber, a plasterer, a painter, it really doesn't matter. Those 2 will show you how to harness your knowledge and experiences of life and turn them very easily and rapidly into ebooks, audio products, video products and other things that you can sell via the internet for big profits. And we'll show you exactly how to automate this so you can be earning multiple streams of passive income while you're asleep at night. And those are a benefit to anyone in any industry whatsoever. You'll also get Secrets of Hypnotic Success, The Biology of Hypnosis and the Royal Event. Between items 3, 4 and 5, you'll not only discover how to become a far more confident and competent mind therapy practitioner, and if you don't know anything about hypnosis, you'll actually learn how hypnotherapy and stage hypnosis work, so you can add new skills to your bow and make money from new areas. But you'll also discover ways to truly help people from the safety of your own home using video platforms such as Zoom. Further, you'll also learn tried, tested and proven to work ways to get television, radio, newspaper, magazine and internet publicity for your skills, services, acts and talents, and how to monetize this exposure with ease, which ties in perfectly with the Millionaire Plan and Passive Hypnosis Profits that will show you how to make your own products with zero investment other than a bit of time, and then how to monetize them and make multiple streams of passive income. There's over 50 hours of video training in total, so it'll help keep you busy while you're on lockdown, but you'll be able to earn as you learn, because it'll show you how to make more pounds, dollars or euros, whatever your currency is, automated over the internet from the comfort and privacy of your own home. As I say, it's just $19 until Boris Johnson announces that the British pubs, clubs, restaurants, theatres and other venues can reopen. Until then, you can grab this for $19, or if you would like to donate more, then of course you can indeed. I wish you all the best of luck in these trying times. Check out the links above or below, and please do me a favour, share this video far and wide so that other people can also benefit as well. Thank you, and bye for now.